Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see, my brows are already lit and done, and my eyelids are already concealed. So I'm going to do a sexy smoky eye. I don't think I'm going to talk through this video. I don't know. I've been liking not talking through my videos lately. I'm using it. I just gotta pause right now. It just make it go by. I don't know. I think I go by. My videos are much shorter when I am not talking through them. So I don't think I'm going to talk to them. I am going to show you guys all the products that I use. So for my brows, I used my eyebrow pomade and then the Kissed Strip Last adhesive. I apply this to my brows first just to get my brow hairs tamed and going in the direction that I would like them to go in. And then, just fill them in with the pomade. And then conceal them. Yo, my brows look like so freaking good right now. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my P. Louise base in black. Let me tell y'all, my husband got me some gift cards for Morphe for Christmas. Baby, when I say I went in that store and cleaned the freak up on a lot of products. Alright, y'all. Let me just start by saying I apologize about the way I'm focused in this camera. My supposedly son told me I was perfect in the center. But as you guys will be able to see, I go out of focus a lot. And it's like I'm really too close to the camera. But I still wanted to put this video out there to show you guys the eye look. You'll be able to see how I'm doing my eyeshadow. You guys can see that perfect. But when it comes to the face, that's where things get out of focus on the camera. But I'm just taking the P. Louise base and applying it over my lid, where I will apply the black eyeshadow for this smoky look, and just blending it out and making sure it is distributed evenly across the eyelids. Like I said, I'm not going to talk through this video because I enjoy not talking through my videos. I'm not even going to really talk over because I'm showing you guys everything that I'm doing, every product that I'm using. So sit back, watch, enjoy the look, enjoy this video, recreate it. Let me know that you recreated it. I know a lot of people always do smoky eyes on YouTube. But I wanted to do the smoky eye with a matte foundation look. So that is what I'm giving you guys today. Ain't really nothing else to say. So like I stated, sit back, enjoy the view. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos so they can get around town and help your girl get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay. y'all, so this is the final look for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can stay tuned. Share my videos so they can get around town and help your girl get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay. Thanks, anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.